So today, as you can see from the title, I have received my Jeffree Star Mystery Ultimate Box. And I'm so excited to open it with you guys, or share it with you guys, because a quick disclaimer is I have opened it and I have seen what I got, but I wanted to share with my YouTube fam so you guys can see what I got. Maybe, I don't know if you guys purchased one, but this is what I got. And I'm so excited to be here. And I know I keep saying that, but I am. I love Jeffree Star, the brand, him. And this is just so exciting to me. And I love everything I got. So let's get into the video. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Comment down below what item was your favorite out of the box, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so this is the big box that I got in the mail. I'm trying not to display my address. So let's go ahead and open it. I believe I was supposed to get 13 items. I could be wrong. I don't remember exactly, but this box was $175. I bought this on Black Friday. I think it was on Thursday when it launched. So I got this one, and then I have another one coming I got the premium one too. So that one's not here yet, but let's go ahead and open this. Alright, so in here, everything's just stacked up. So the first thing that I see is I got a velour lip scrub, which is from his summer collection this year. And this is in flavor grape soda. This is in flavor grape soda. And it looks like this. I do have one of these already. From last year's summer collection. It's in orange soda. So good. I'm so excited because I want to grow my Jeffree Star collection, but I'm slowly getting there, and it's just hard because so many new items keep coming out, and I just forget what I want, and I just need to make a list. All right, so the next thing is I was super excited to see this because I wanted to buy them when they came out, but I didn't because they are a little bit more expensive. And this one is in Frozen Peach. I'm not sure if you can see it. Frozen Peach. And it is a Supreme Frost. And if you don't know, the Supreme Frost is a different type of formula than the Skin Frost, the original Skin Frost. So this is the packaging, and you open it up like this, and it says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and this is the shade. Let me go ahead and swatch it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it is a very, I think this one's very subtle, not so blinding. If I could be wrong because I'm not quite sure. But I like this shade. This shade is a very nice. And then this just falls when it clips in like this, not like the other ones. So that's one of the Skin Frosts, or the Supreme Frost that I got. The next I got was another Skin Frost, or another highlighter. This one is King Tut. I've always wanted this one, but every time I go buy it, it's out of stock. So now I dropped it yesterday when I opened the box, and it shattered. So I gotta be careful opening it. Yeah, it shattered. See, it's a very, I can't hold it up because everything's gonna fall out, but this is King Tut. It's so smooth and creamy and blinding. You see that? King Tut. I think this is one of his very very popular one. So we're going to keep that there, and we're going to try to restore it. And then I got another Skin Frost in Mint Condition. Is it upside down? Mint Condition. I would never choose this color, but this color is very pretty. Let me see. So that is Mint Condition. Let's swatch it. Let's give it a swatch. Ooh, you see how blinding that is? That is so awesome. I did do a live yesterday. I did a live. I keep saying yesterday, and it was actually Friday night that I did a live, and I did unbox this. So some of you all probably have already seen these products, but you know, I wanted to make a video to share for those on my YouTube, whoever didn't watch it. And then we did get a few lipsticks. We did get a few of the velour liquid lipsticks. Let me start with, I think this is a just a regular collection, and this is in shade Flamethrower. Flamethrower is this shade right here. And I think this is part of his just regular collection. I like this. Let me swatch it for you. I'm not a good swatcher, so don't come for me for the swatches. So that is Flamethrower. I actually did try this on, and it looks nice on my skin. Sometimes colors do not look very nice. The next shade is, oh, and I got, it's in the Lip Ammunition. It's Unicorn Blood. I know this one's also very popular. Let's see. So that is Unicorn Blood. Right there. And then the next one is from the Family Collection. This is in shade Diamond. Look how beautiful this lilac is. This one, I'm not crazy for on my skin tone, but it could be used for other things. Look at that. This is Diamond. This is such a beautiful color. And then the next one from that same collection I got was Baby Daddy. I do have Daddy, the original one. So, Baby Daddy. And this one matches my skin tone, so I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it. Alright, so this one is Baby Daddy right here. It's very, very light compared to the Daddy, the actual shade. Okay, and then the next one I was super excited to get because when they released the summer collection, I wanted to get this. This was like the one shade that I wanted to get so bad, but I didn't get it, and it is Can't Relate from the summer collection. This is another nude, and the packaging on this, I wish you guys could see it. It is so pretty. So pretty. So it is right here. Yeah, it's right here. Oh no, that's not it. It's right here. It's this shade right here. So that's Can't Relate. I'm super excited I got this because I really wanted it, and it was on my list to get it, and now I don't have to get it. Alright, so the next item that I got was a pop socket from Jeffree Star. I'm not a big fan of these, but I will try it out because, you know, it was in the box and it is Jeffree Star. So I'll try it out on my phone. If I don't like it, I'll just take it off. And the next item, I got merch, which I got this shirt. I got this shirt. And it's a very good quality. I love his merch because it's very good quality. It's not cheap. It's not gonna get damaged when you wash it. And I still have a few of mine from like a year ago, and this is like raised, so this is good quality. And then this one, I got another piece of clothing, and this one I wanted so bad also, but I never got around to buy it, and I was so excited to see that it came in this box. Like, this is my favorite thing out of everything, especially because I love the color pink, and I wanted this so bad. And it's the sweater, the Jeffree Star sweater with the fuzzies inside. I love this. I am a sweater girl. I love sweaters, and I'll be traveling soon to very cold places, and this will be going with me. So I'm so excited. All right, so the last item that I got is this, which, if you don't know what comes in here, it is the Jeffree Star mirrors. And I was so excited for another one because I love the one I have. I have this color, the star color, like this color is the one I have, if you guys haven't seen it on my channel. So I got another from the Thirsty collection, which launched in the summer. I wanted this one so bad. I'm not a yellow type of person, but I really like this one. I don't know if on camera you guys, it looks really bright, but it's not. It's more of like an orange yellowish tone. So I really like this. It's going to go next to my pink one. And these mirrors are really good quality. I've dropped mine several times and it's still not broken. So I recommend getting one of these. Alright guys, so that was it that I got in my box, my mystery box. I personally think that it was worth the $175 that I paid for it. I got a lot of things that I would not normally pick for myself, but there was a lot of things that I really already wanted from him, from the brand. So I am super stoked to use it. I can't wait to get my other box and see what I got. I think that for everything that I got 13 items because I did count them. I got 13 items. It was worth the $175. I'm super grateful for being able to buy it and to get what I got. I'm excited to use my items. You'll definitely see me wearing the merch. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got a mystery box, let me know what you got. I'm super excited to see. I hope everyone got something different, and I hope everyone enjoys their box. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to like this video and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And thank you so much for your support, and I love you all. Bye guys.